video, I want to tell you what drones I'm gonna use in 2024 to create content. As you saw another video I made yesterday, it's pretty much all about the gear I have in my camera bag and the one I'm gonna use to create again content in 2024. And in this video I'm gonna show you all my drones I'm gonna use in 2024, as I said. And if you have any questions about them drones, anything related to drones, please feel free to ask them in the comments and I'll reply to you back as soon as possible. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you really like the content I've made, please feel free to put some thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well if you really like my content. If you don't like my content, please reply back in the comments what kind of content you'd like me to make and I'll try to focus on that. And thanks again guys for clicking my video and for watching this video, and let's talk about the drones. And my first drone I'm gonna use in 2024 is my old one, DJI Air 2S. It's 2 years old, still like a brand new. It still does great images and great videos, and for me personally it's no reason to upgrade to any drones unless I'm gonna make huge money. But for now, as a hobby, this drone is more than enough for me to shoot any nature images or any nature videos, especially when I'm going or traveling somewhere at the coast of England or in the middle of nowhere. This drone is very solid, it handles the wind very good, and I don't think there's anything wrong with this drone. If you have one of them, keep it because it's the best drone DJI made ever. This DJI Jone is still the drone I'm using till today, and I'm sure I'm gonna use this drone another couple of years ahead. And yes, that's my first drone, and hopefully this drone will gonna last me a lot more time. My second drone is Little One, which is a DJI Mini 3 Pro. I really love this drone. It's very light, especially when you're taking the battery off, feeling like you don't have anything in your hand. I really love this drone because it's so tiny. You can fly pretty much everywhere, especially in the cities, in the towns, and it's not really noisy as my Air 2S, and it does provide me with beautiful images and beautiful videos as well. What I can say about this drone is one of the best mini drone I ever owned. The only downside I don't like about this drone is them little screws here. I've tried to take some propellers off from the drone, but because screwdriver, I think I've messed up a bit with them screws. So probably gonna have to chip all them propellers to change them on. But I'm gonna make a video about that in the next video. And yes, that's the drone I'm still owning. It's 1 year old and it still, as I said, provides me with good images, and I'm quite happy with this little drone. And last year I've decided to get into FPV, so for this I've decided to go with DJI Avata. That's because I don't really have time to mess about and soldering and building my own drone. It's something I'm not really have time for this. And here you go, my DJI Avata. The bad news is I've flown it twice in 5 months, which is really sad. It's because the weather in England is really rubbish and you can't really fly when it's rainy and cloudy, and also because this drone is so loud and so noisy. You need to go somewhere in the mountains or middle of nowhere to be able to fly this drone. So on my first time I've flown this drone, I was really surprised about the video quality. So the videos you can get from this small drone, it's outstanding. It can shoot up to 4K, and it's really good drone if you want to get into FPV. You don't really want to spend too much money. It is expensive drone, but for what it does, I think it's worth the money. If you don't have and you want to get into FPV, you need to make sure you practice a bit in simulator so you don't crash it or lose it. It's something you don't want to do it, and you try to avoid it because losing £1,000 drone, it's not for your pocket. So I have another channel on YouTube where I post old videos taken with my drones and Insta360 GoPro. You can click somewhere on the link here and you can have a look. I've just started that channel and I'm still growing that channel as well, same as this. And again guys, if you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, do ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you next video, and yeah, keep an eye on my channel.